What's up, everyone? I'm back, feeling better about the whole social media thing, and I quickly wanted to come on here to show you guys the process on the car, some of the things that I've been able to accomplish so far. So far, we were able to get the 91 Waggle Wagon differential in with the Hub City subframe brace mounting kit. Trailing arms, skunk tool, adjustable camera kits, photo, tow arm adjustments. I did all the fasteners, nice bolts with washers. If you look here, super clean, just to add a little detail to the whole kit. Cleaned up the shocks. Looking good so far. Keep you guys on here recording. So if you could, please like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and help me grow my YouTube page. That'll be pretty cool. I'm late to the YouTube thing, and just trying to get big on it and get known and put myself out there, so anything will help. Appreciate you guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you guys through this now. Thank you. So I will tell you guys now, I don't have the proper tools to press this down, so I'm going to carefully just tap it down with this this thing, and hopefully I don't do any damage to the bearing. I recommend that if you're trying this, that you get it done professionally and make sure it gets done right, because again, this is not the right way to do it, but I'm going to give it a shot because I don't have a press, and hopefully this works for me. Boom! Look at that. I had no idea I had this bearing adapting tool. It's for the front wheels, bearing adapting tool. But who knows, maybe I could make something work with this. Let's see. I mean, it looks pretty legit. I don't know. Look at that. What y'all think? I see some hope here. I see some hope, goddammit. Is it gonna work? I have no idea. But let's see. It's worth a shot. See what we can make up here with this thing. Again, this is for a front wheel bearing, so I don't know. What can we come up with? It's not the right way to do it, but it works. Right? Yeah. clean around the edges there to get all the old silicone off. Tranny is pretty much reassembled with the limited slip differential together. Painted the transmission just to clean it up and make it look good. Little water drops. But besides that, it came out pretty good. Tranny's all assembled, closed up, everything works fine, gears spin good, takes gear good, sealed with Honda Bond. My next steps are to install the twin disc, the new twin disc action clutch that I have, and I'm gonna be doing a video on that, on how to properly install it. That way, if you folks purchase an action clutch, you know exactly what to do. That way you don't have any problems in the future. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share the video if you can. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you.